Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to create your child's fun-filled amazing BabyTv studio clips. So you can download, share on social media platforms, friends and family, or even participate in the competition so that your child's video might feature in the BabyTv channel. Let's begin. You can just Google for BabyTv studio clips or directly type babytv.com. After the page is loaded, you can see many animated programs on the channel. You can explore for more things like wallpapers of those TV programs and also schedule for the TV. Now click on create a clip. After the page is loaded, you will see two options, BabyTv Studio and birthday clip. You can either create BabyTv studio clips like I have uploaded before, or if it's your child's birthday, you can click on birthday clip. The methods are the same, just different clips and competition. Then click on BabyTv Studios. It will be directed to the information page where you will have to enter your child details. Type in the first name of your child, date of birth, country and language of the clip. Upload a high resolution picture lower than 4 MB. It's better if you crop the image from an already existing photo, so it will be easy to process the image with similar resolution and lower size image. Next, you will have to accept terms and conditions, privacy policy, and warrant that you are the legal parent or guardian of the child. I will read out some important ones for you before continuing. First one is employees or promoters cannot enter the competition. Winners should provide a proof of identity. Promoters have the right to disqualify the video for the competition. And to enter the competition, you will have to provide the child's information, and that you have to be from the following countries, and the video should be submitted before 19th of the calendar month to enter the competition. And the privacy policy, that you grant permission to BabyTv Studio to use your baby's image worldwide, and we give them royalty free rights to use the image, and you are the parent of the child or legal guardian of the child. And if you are the parent, click on the second option. Once you have done reading the terms and conditions, it's time to select the type of video you want to create, like ski pass, operation cleanup, the jewel in the crown, firefighter, one small step, and many other fun videos you can explore yourself. When you are done selecting the video and accept terms and condition, privacy policy and legal guardian requirement, click continue. Then you have to adjust and position the image as per the dots to your child's face. Rotate the image if required and increase or decrease the size. See to it that your child's image fits in the frame given. And when you are done, click on create video. You might have to recreate the video if the face doesn't match properly in the created studio clip. Once the video is created, you can play the clip, download it and share with your family and friends. If you want to create a new one, repeat the same process. And also, enter the competition for your child to feature on the BabyTv channel. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.